Hello learners, I'm Shahitha
And I'm Monisha.
and you're watching Learn Life with us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
The mode of nutrition by which organisms produce complex organic compounds such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats on its own as food for their survival using carbon from simple substances is called autotrophic mode of nutrition, and the organism that does autotrophism are called autotrophs.
Autotrophs convert abiotic source of energy into biotic source of energy on which heterotrophs feed on later. Autotrophs are the primary producers that provide energy to almost every organism on Earth. The Earth wouldn't sustain even a day without these autotrophs.
Autotrophs do not need a source of carbon or energy because they are capable of producing it on their own with simple sources such as light and available chemical compounds in the atmosphere. This leads us to two different kinds of autotrophs, the photoautotrophs and the chemoautotrophs.
Photoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs are capable of synthesizing their own food from chemical substances using light as an energy source. These organisms derive energy for food synthesis from light and are capable of using carbon dioxide as their principal source of carbon. Photoautotrophs are also referred to as holophytes.
Major photoautotrophs are green plants and photosynthetic bacteria. Green plants use chlorophyll to capture light energy and oxidizes water to oxygen. Hence, green plants are oxygenic photosynthetic organisms. On the other hand, photosynthetic bacteria uses bacterial chlorophyll to capture light energy and oxidizes chemical substances such as hydrogen sulfide instead of water. Hence, these organisms are anoxygenic photosynthetic organisms.
There is other subdivision in photoautotrophs based on the electron source. They are Photoautolithotroph and Photoautoorganotrophs. Photoautolithotroph. Photoautolithotroph obtain energy from light and use inorganic substances as electron donors or hydrogen donor and use them as a fuel to biosynthetic reactions. For example, these organisms might use water.
Photoautoorganotrophs. Photoautoorganotrophs obtain energy from light and uses organic substance as electron donor or hydrogen donor and use them as a fuel to biosynthesis reactions. These organisms use carbon-based compounds.
Chemoautotrophs. Chemoautotrophs are organisms that obtain energy by the oxidation of electron donors in their environment. In addition to deriving energy for chemical reactions, they synthesize all the necessary organic compounds from carbon dioxide. Most chemoautotrophs are extremophiles, meaning they live in extreme hostile environments such as deep sea vents or volcanic springs.
Autotroph generally comes under several extremophiles groups such as methanogens, nitrifiers, thermoacidophiles, and so on. Again, based on their electron source, chemoautotrophs are divided into Chemolithotroph and Chemoorganotroph.
Chemolithoautotrophs. Chemolithoautotrophs are chemotrophs that use inorganic electron sources such as hydrogen sulfide, elemental sulfur, molecular hydrogen, and ammonia. The growth of chemolithotrophs can be dramatically fast.
Chemoorganotrophs. Chemoorganotrophs are chemotrophs that use organic electron source such as glucose and amino acids for the autotrophic nutrition. Now moving on to heterotrophic nutrition, but that will be on the next video.
Until next time, keep learning because knowledge rules humanity. See you, bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications and leave a massive thumbs up. You can also leave a comment on what video you would like to see next. Peace.